having more than 100 people here at our first meeting is a great way to start. And there will be many more meetings after this, as well as many other avenues that people can provide input, including email and conversations that we'll be having. It's just a way of bringing folks together and coming up with ideas that can make this community a better place, particularly with this major, beautiful building that we're going to be historically restoring over the next 5 to 10 years. Residents are crucial to shaping the process and shaping the product, shaping the outcome of what we're going to be creating here. How do they do that? They do that by getting involved. We had a steering committee that we put together of residents who can help to provide feedback to the county staff as they're moving forward, provide and engage the community as well to disperse the information that they get, and that dispersion then gets other feedback that they can then bring back to the group. So it's absolutely a two-way street. It's a flow to it and a connection, that happens in multiple ways.
The community owns their place where they live. We're here to help them facilitate that vision that they've articulated through the planning process and make it real. We're really happy to partner with Alexander and Elm Street to see what our options are, and the next 6 to 8 months are really going to be exciting in terms of what those potentials might be.